You doodle sat.
Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Let's learn some color names. Sky blue, black, blue, violet, red, pink, light green, yellow, green, orange. Now let's learn alphabets and start coloring. A. E for apple. A, a, apple. It's red apple. B, B for boat. B, B, boat. It's blue boat. C, C for cow. K, K, cow. It's pink cow. D, D for donut. D, D, donut. Brown donut. E, E for elephant. A, elephant. It's gray elephant. F, F for fish. F, F, fish. It's orange fish. G, G for grapes. G, G, grapes. H, H for house. H, H, house. I for ice cream. Ice cream. J, J for jellyfish. J, J, jellyfish. K for kite. K, K, kite. L for lollipop. L, L, lollipop. M, M for moon. N, N for necklace. N, N, neck. It's violet necklace. O, O for owl. O, O, owl. P, P for pearl. P for pearl. P, P, pearl. Purple pearl. Q for queen. K, K, queen. R for rainbow. R, R, rainbow. S for stars. Stars. T for tortoise. T, T, tortoise. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. Violin. Violet. Violin. W for whale. X whale. Whale. Blue whale. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Yeah, yeah, yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. It's zebra. A for apple, B for boat, C for cow, D for donut, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grape, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jellyfish, K for kite, L for lollipop, M for moon, N for necklace, O for owl, P for pearl, Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for star, T for tortoise, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for whale, X for X-ray, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.